iVoice is a core feature of the MOGO app. It allows free roaming calls to mobile or landline in over 170 countries and regions around the world. Tap the phone icon. Tap Price List to check the price of each country and region. Before making a call, you must bind your mobile number. Tap Manage My Numbers. Tap Add New Number. Input the number you want to call on the keypad. Tap Recent Calls to check your calling record. Tap the contact icon to add new contacts. iFREE Group provides 24/7 customer service. You can contact our customer service team through the MOGO app, WeChat, WhatsApp, or visit the below link.